Ruth here, and this video is a really quick and easy tax twerk tip for people that invest in property and people who are getting rental income. I'm actually reading from the book How to Make Your Tax Sexy, which is available on Amazon and other good bookstores as well. So let's dive in. So why you need a limited company for your rental properties. I spoke about property investors and people that are on the property ladder and a key couple of things that you need to know in another video. In this one, I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the background behind it. So as an online tax return service, my company that I founded, taxtwerk.com, we do help people specifically in e-commerce, and a lot of those people invest in property, and it seems like a natural synergy helping people in property as well, because I have a passion for property personally as well. So it's proven to be a really great wealth creation strategy, and this is not just myself saying this, but experts around the world. Whatever industry you're in, pretty much investing in property is the key backbone of long-term wealth. So you can generate strong short-term returns, and in the long term, your children can benefit from the property investments and the assets too. Before you step into the property market or you start to expand your portfolio, it is worth considering if you should do so as a private person, so as a sole trader, an individual, or would you be better off if you had a company? So one of the things that we do is we actually help people to set up a limited company structure and use that for their investments. And because of the changes earlier this year and the future changes, it really is a really big consideration. So have a look into that and see if that's something that affects you. If it does, if you want to know a lot more about your situation, then just reach out to us at taxtwerk.com. The scary bit. So the tax that will be applied if you own properties personally is called the personal tax rate for any rental income. So that's for properties that you own personally. And I am basing this on the UK, but wherever you are in the country, it's always good to speak with an expert and see how it affects you. So in the UK, this can be as high as 45% on your personal tax rate for your rental income, depending on your other income sources. There's also capital gains that are important to think about, and there's things such as inheritance tax as well, which can affect people in the UK. So with a tax rate of either 18 to 28%, depending on where you fit in, the capital gains can be a really big chunk of tax that you're paying.